Unlocking efficiency, Microsoft 365 Enterprise Plans demystified. Welcome to the future of productivity and collaboration with Microsoft 365 Enterprise Plans. Discover how these plans can transform your enterprise and boost efficiency like never before. Introduction to Microsoft 365 Enterprise Plans. Microsoft 365 Enterprise is designed to cater to the unique needs of large organizations. Offering a comprehensive suite of tools, it empowers your workforce to work smarter and more securely. Overview of plans. Microsoft 365 Enterprise offers three main plans: E1, E3, and E5. Each plan is tailored to provide different levels of features and capabilities to meet your organization's specific requirements. Microsoft 365 E1 Plan. Let's start with the E1 plan. This plan includes web-based Office apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, along with business email, calendar, and 1 terabyte of OneDrive storage. It's perfect for enterprises that need basic productivity tools and cloud services. Key features: Office web apps, email and calendar, OneDrive for business, Microsoft Teams, SharePoint Online. Microsoft 365 E3 Plan. It's ideal for enterprises that require a full-featured Office experience along with enhanced security. Next, the E3 plan builds on E1 by adding desktop versions of Office apps, advanced security features, and compliance tools. Key features: Desktop Office apps, advanced security, compliance solutions, mobile device management, additional storage. Microsoft 365 E5 Plan. Finally, the E5 plan offers the most comprehensive set of features, including advanced analytics, voice capabilities, and the highest level of security. It's perfect for enterprises that need cutting-edge tools to stay ahead of the competition. Key features: advanced security, analytics and BI, voice capabilities, compliance, identity and access management. Top use cases for Microsoft 365 Enterprise Plans. Now, let's explore the top use cases for Microsoft 365 Enterprise Plans and how they can benefit your organization. Remote work enablement. Seamlessly support remote and hybrid work environments with Microsoft Teams and OneDrive. Enhanced collaboration. Foster teamwork and collaboration with real-time co-authoring and communication tools. Data security. Protect sensitive data with advanced security features like Microsoft Defender and Azure Information Protection. Compliance management. Ensure regulatory compliance with built-in tools for data governance and discovery. Business intelligence. Leverage Power BI for actionable insights and data-driven decision-making. IT management. Simplify IT management with Intune for device management and Azure AD for identity protection. Scalable solutions. Easily scale your IT infrastructure to meet changing business needs without significant capital investment. Cost efficiency. Optimize costs with a comprehensive cloud-based solution, reducing the need for on-premises hardware. Benefits of Microsoft 365 Enterprise for enterprises. So, why should your enterprise choose Microsoft 365? Here are some compelling reasons. Enhanced productivity. Empower your employees with the best productivity tools. Security and compliance. Protect your data with advanced security features. Scalability. Easily scale your solutions as your business grows. Collaboration. Foster teamwork with powerful collaboration tools. Cost efficiency. Optimize your IT budget with cloud-based services. Conclusion. Microsoft 365 Enterprise Plans are designed to help your organization succeed in the modern workplace. Want to learn more? Visit our website www.XcellHost.cloud.